Well, International Space Station astronauts will soon begin working on an experiment sent to them by a group of Sacramento students.
KCRA3's Melanie Wingo is joining us in studio now with how these students from St. Francis High School got this incredible opportunity.
Yeah, this is incredibly cool. St. Francis High School in Sacramento is one of only 10 high schools out of some 35,000 across the United States asked to participate in the International Space Station program, or ISSP, and it's the only all-girls school chosen as part of the program. This elite group has spent the last few months conceptualizing, designing, engineering, coding, and will ultimately send an experiment to the International Space Station for testing in a microgravity environment, just as an aerospace corporation would. In very basic terms, the students are working to figure out if yeast growth in space is the same or different as to how it would grow in a controlled environment on Earth. Project coordinators say it's a test that has applications in the field of biomedical engineering and longevity science.
If it grows a lot slower, then we know, okay, well, the microgravity is affecting the way that the yeast grows, which is somehow making it slower, so that scientists can use this data to say, how do we need to adapt when we're growing stuff in space?
There's no cooler way to learn engineering than starting with some kind of experiment that goes into space.
This is really mind-blowing. I'm thrilled to be able to be a part of bringing this program here. I'm most excited about what it does to change the lives of these young women.
Now, school administrators say this is a once-in-a-lifetime experience for these young women. St. Francis built its team of 12 students, selected out of about 100 girls who applied. The program experimentation started in September. Final testing on the students' work and packaging for space travel will happen in February. And if all goes as planned, this experiment will launch in a SpaceX spacecraft from Cape Canaveral, Florida, in early April. And once their experiment is performed by astronauts at the International Space Station, the students will work to publish their results, and that should happen by June. Very short timeline, Deirdre and Ted.
That is unbelievable
really cool.
They have that opportunity.
Yeah.
Smart kids.
Melanie, thanks for saying thank you.
I mean, what were you doing at that age?
Not that.
Not that for
Not
me
even
either.
remotely. Well, there you go.
It was like growing out my bangs, which was a huge accomplishment.
Oh my God, you did?
I did.
You were daring.
I know.
I love it.
You know, push those boundaries. That's where I was.